Welcome to all of the big homies that are watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your personal hotspot on iPhone. This is super helpful if you want to connect to your laptop per se and you don't have a Wi-Fi network, but you have your phone with cellular data. You could enable a personal hotspot to connect to the laptop. All you do is open up the settings app and you will see the option about fifth down there for a personal hotspot. All you have to do is click on it and you will see a little lever right at the top there. Make sure that is switched to green to allow others to join, and this will allow the Wi-Fi network to pop up on other people's screens. You could also set the password, make it whatever you want. Just make sure to communicate to whoever you're trying to connect, whether that be your alternate laptop or a brother or sister that's trying to connect. Give them the password, tell them to go to the Wi-Fi networks. I also have a tutorial on how to do this if you need to connect to Wi-Fi. And your Wi-Fi network will pop up. In order to know what you are looking for when popping it up, you will see that little Wi-Fi icon that's below the screen there. It says to connect using Wi-Fi. Step 1, choose, and for me it says Ben's iPhone. That is the name of my iPhone, and that's what's going to pop up under the Wi-Fi connection. You are looking for Ben's iPhone. Type in that password 1234567 and you will be able to connect. You'll see an alternate option there for maximize compatibility. I've messed around with this and played around with it, turned it on and off. I haven't really noticed a difference in connection on either devices or if it's draining my battery any quicker. So I'm not really sure if that's helpful, but that's pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions or need any help, leave a comment down below and I will try to get around to assisting you. If you did find this helpful today, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.